Have you ever wondered how to style your kitchens like they do in the magazines? Well, stick with me. I'm going to show you a few of my go-to tips and items for kitchen styling. And remember to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every week when I release new design videos. So the first step in styling your kitchen is you want to clear everything away, even the practical things, and don't worry, you can bring them back in, but clear it away so you have a blank slate with it. Then you want to go around and look for items that you think may be useful in your kitchen or that you love and you'd love to display. So go into other rooms of your house, open up the drawers and kind of create a collection, and then you can start playing. So on the island, what I like to do is a couple different things. One is I always like a bowl. I love choosing something that has texture to it. So like this wood bowl really adds a warmth off the white quartz of the countertop. And you could use this practically because you could put all your fruits and vegetables or apples, lemons, whatever you want in there. The next thing I really like to add to a kitchen is I love cutting boards. I think they add so much just character and they're useful obviously as well. So keeping one of your cutting boards out, not only using it when you actually are cutting it, and adding some decorative items to it. So I love pottery, so maybe putting on some pottery into it. You could have fresh flowers, get fresh flowers weekly, or go foraging and put that in the pottery. And then I like to break up the lines because we've got a lot of hard things here to add something soft to it. So I say bring out your napkins. Bring out, if you've got linen or cotton napkins, you could bring those out and display them as well. And then you can see with this little vignette, you've got something that's really beautiful, really textural, and hopefully useful as well. So the next area when styling your kitchen is around the sink. So I'm just going to show you some of the common items I use when styling a client's kitchen. One of them is art. Now you may not think of art in your kitchen, but this is actually a piece that I've used in my kitchen for years. I actually like it sometimes with the art to cover the outlets. Again, you can still move it around and get to it, but it adds something with personality, shows what you like. You can see there, just with the wood already, that adds a lot to the kitchen. I then like to add something that your oils can sit on. Again, a cutting board or something wood that you could put your olive oil on, you could put your balsamic on, you could put your salt and pepper shakers on, and you can kind of have that just angled in front. Another thing you could do if you don't have a picture as well, I just wanted to show, is you could use a cookbook. I think bringing out your favorite cookbooks and having them stacked or displayed is really pretty. And then adding just a couple decorative elements. So maybe it's a little vase like this beside here, a vase here as well, and you've got just a really pretty vignette in your kitchen. So I hope you found this helpful in some of my go-to items for styling your kitchen. If you like this video, make sure to like it, make sure you're subscribed, and head on over to Carla Dreyer Design, where you can take my free Find Your Design Style quiz. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.